Yo, Center Parcs is fab.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today is day 24 and I'm not going to blab on too much about what I'm doing because it's not much, and I'm sure Sarah and Dad have a lot of more interesting stuff to show you more than I do. So yeah, go and enjoy.
So guys, I just want to show you where we are now that the daylight's out and about. This is our first balcony. That down there is our second balcony. I'll show you that in a second. And around here, there's the bedroom. And it's the sauna. Very nice. Right, okay. I'm going to show you now how quickly it's going to take us to get from here, top balcony, all the way down to the swimming pool. Okay, here we go. Second balcony. Here. This is where we are. See, it's very nice. And then down here. I don't know what's down there. Something, I'm guessing. And then we've got these funny things. You'd think they were fake, but they're not. They are real plants. Weird. And continue down here. Another little sitting area in there. Keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. Until we arrive at the into William's favourite store. And look, that's for Will and Emma and Simon Sue. Pinos, dandies, Monopoly chocolates. I think I know who might be getting some of those. And lots of lovely stuff in here. And down here, this is the quietest place in the world up here. Literally last night, absolutely nobody eating here at all. And all the staff were just standing around. And they even managed to break 2 glasses just standing around doing nothing. It's pretty insane. Fishes. Come on. Amazing. Look at that big one there. Holy moly. I bet you like chips, mate. And this was where we hung out last night. It was really cool. It's like this little sort of, no, it's called Brazilian place. Very nice though. Right. Anyway. And then, how close are we to home? Let's find out. Let's see. And there's home. For the week. Pinewoods. Definitely be staying here again because it was absolutely amazing. Bargain. And here we go. Almost here. And that's literally like 3 minutes, yeah, including sightseeing and fishy washing. And we're here. Just like this. And let's see if we can find Sarah. Right. Yes. And there she is. What have you got to say to the camera?
Yo, Center Parcs is fab.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
Can you see this? It's all frozen over. It must have been that cold last night. It's a really cold day out here today. Look, we've got ice in the water and ice down here. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if there wasn't a couple of little fishies that were a bit perturbed by the fact of... what the?
What the heck? What's going on?
Is that a bird? A bird frozen in the water. Oi, mate! Mate! I think he's gone. Not one down there as well, is there? Hello.
Hello.
What have you got?
I have what they call a Black Forest stack,
Oh my
which
goodness
is cherries. I love cherries. I'm sorry, but I do love cherries. Cherries and chocolate and ice cream I asked for.
Excellent.
And what about you?
It's the banana pancake stack with tiny little Nutella. We're very excited.
We are.
Yeah. And 3, 2, 1, Scott. Hey guys, in about an hour's time, we are going to be in this monster of a rapid. It's absolutely freaking amazing. Guys, you join us here at the building of the Lego Pirates set.
Yay!
Look at all those lovely pirates. Look, there's the rooks. That guy's got a banana as a gun. Some parrots. Just general mob pirates there. And the Pirate King and Queen. Yeah, we're ugly. And Sarah's making the chessboard. Which looks like it's going to be a nightmare if we want to pull those pieces back off again.
Yep.
Yeah. And this is for sauna chess tonight, isn't it?
Yep. Thermo.
Thermo sauna chess.
Yeah.
Where last night I got dressed up with my flat cap and my cardigan and my pyjamas and went into the sauna. And then tonight we plan to bring the chessboard up with us, and I'm gonna teach her how to play chess. Well, I think she already knows.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Hasn't Will taught you?
He has tried to teach me, but that was a little while ago. So I now have to have a refresher course.
Oh no. In the intricacies of pirate chess.
Indeed. Because, I need to know.
What happened there? What was that? What was it? Go. That's a very scary pirate. Can I do mine?
Go for it.
No. That was better than yours.
I don't know.
Arr. Arr.
Jim lad. Pieces of 8. Pieces of 8.
Well, pieces of Reese's Pieces.
Yeah, Reese's Pieces.
Reese's Pieces. Peanut butter with that chocolatey texture. Reese's Pieces. Oh, it's Matey Boy down here that's giving it all, isn't he? Almost finished. Almost finished. Last couple of pieces. I'm getting dynamic cam here. Dynamic cam. Oh no, be gutted if you were one piece short.
Would Lego do that to you?
You might. They've missed out one really big piece for me before. But they were really good. You just phone them up and just ask them for it and they just sent it to you. It's well good. Well done.
Maha.
Oh. Hello. So, here's us at the end of day 2 in Center Parcs. I've had a facial, which apparently is meant to make me look younger, but I don't think that's the case. Do you there?
Hello, I do have had a facial. Ooh,
Are you feeling younger?
I'm feeling so much younger.
And what would you like to say to everyone?
Come to Center Parcs, it's really cool. If not, you can still have fun. That's quite profound.
Good advice. Anyway, on that note, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.